Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing, and I'm just going to show you a couple of pieces that the little project I have for my own personal home, but it just goes to show you the stain and a couple of colors that's available. This right here is a special blend. It's kind of a reddish kind of a stain. It's a little lighter. This is a coffee or a dark chocolate type stain, and it's much darker. Both these have been stained and they have been sitting for this has been sitting for about 2 weeks. This has been sitting for a week, so the color has fully matured. So this is the color this is going to be. Now I'm going to show you this video where I splash water on it. You get to see how the water just beads up and stands, so it doesn't penetrate into the wood. This is the reason why you want to stain your fence or deck, to keep the wood from penetrating in and eventually causing it to rot and just damage the wood. So we do this on a lot of fences. We do this on decks. This particular is a high quality oil penetrating sealer. It's not something you catch at Home Depot or Lowe's. We have to order this stuff special and pick it up from a specific contractor in this area.